name is Suraj Kumar. Today I am going to unbox my new laptop. That one is Acer Aspire7. So it's having good specification and good quality laptop in under 60,000. So now let's start. So see, before 2 days I bought this laptop through Flipkart only, you can see here. So now I'm going to unbox. So let's start. So you can see, now I'm going to unbox. See, you can see here product name Acer laptop computer and product type laptop computer, quality IU, containing laptop IN user manual IN. You can read here manufactured by, imported by, month, year, anything is there, you can read by yourself. So see, maybe it is visible, I think. So let's start it. Now I'm going to, it's too much cover, so it's too much protected, I think. You can see I already sold this one. So you can see this. So you can see here how it's covered. So here charging plug, you can see adapter. This is very big adapter as compared to normal Dell and HP. So I think this is fast charging. And you can see here, this is my amazing laptop. So before that I want to show you, see this is manual, you can read by yourself only. So I already read, if you want to read means you can read, no problem. So see, this is 1 year warranty paper. So you can see this, and this so many things is there. So I'm not going to read these things. So see, so this is laptop that I am going to show you in deep way. So you can see this. First of all, you can see how it's look like. You can see this in bright color, Acer is written, and here Aspire. This is I think new, and you can see full view of this laptop. I think maybe it is visible. So you can see this. I am showing you all 360 views of Acer Aspire7 laptop. So you can see this. This is very useful if you are playing some game means. So see, 2 USB cable, one HDMI, and one port is there, and my internet. And here you can see jack, and one USB, and one charging plug, and here one charging light also is there. So you can see. So now I'm going to open this laptop. So see this beautiful look. So you can see this display. It's too much good, I think. It's good display, and you can see, wow, what it look like keyboard. Really, I like it. This keyboard, you can, wow, when you are going to press, then you feel like, oh wow. And here fingerprint is there, and you can read this also. What is there? This. So now I'm going to. First of all, I want to tell you one thing. What are the specification of this laptop is? It's having Acer Aspire7 Core i5 9th generation and 4GB graphics and 512GB SSD. So I bought this laptop under 60,000. Exactly, I want to tell you means I bought this laptop 54,000, and so you can see this, and And next thing I want to tell you its weight not too much, it's weight less only. So see, I am going to open this laptop. You can see what is the speed of this laptop. It's too much fast. When I am going to open this, you can see this, and Acer. Okay, now I am going to touch my fingerprint. See, within a fraction. It's thank you. I will tell you so many things about this laptop in next videos. So thank you. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.